Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can add a name on Google Photos. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open the Google Photos app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version. After that, access the target image you want to add a name to and swipe up to view the image details. Now, tap on the Edit Faces embed at the right side of your screen and tap on the Add icon on any one of the faces. After that, tap on the plus icon at the top right corner and select Create. Once done, repeat the same steps for all of the faces in the image. Now, get back to the image information section and tap on the Add Name embed beneath the faces. Then, type in the target name and tap on Done. Now you can just repeat this process for every other image you want to add a name to. So that's basically how you can add a name on Google Photos. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.